The SSI Temperature Kit is a multifaceted collection that has been designed for high vibration, high temperature, and general purpose applications. This is the demo for the SSI Temperature Quick Kit. First up, we have the complete temperature assembly, which has an explosion-proof enclosure with temperature display, temperature sensor, and Vanstone Thermowell. These have been designed for high vibration, high temperature, and general purpose applications. This is just one of the many types of Thermowells that can be used for assembly. Model 1340 is a remote-mounted design that allows for a junction head or enclosure to be remotely installed on any type of Thermowell. It comes with explosion-proof enclosure, and there are other enclosure options available. The flexible tubing can be built to any length up to 100 feet. The Model 1200 thermocouple is a probe with custom length lead wire extension and weld pad. The weld pad allows the thermocouple to be welded onto a pipe or any surface where temperature needs need to be monitored or measured directly onto the process. If the pipe dimensions are specified, we can curve the welding pad to make it fit accordingly. These can be supplied with specified lead wire lengths as needed. The Model 2040 Miniature Multipoint has 4 temperature points but can be made to any specified points up to 40. These are used to identify temperatures through its stainless steel tube. It does not require a protection tube. This design is typically used in applications where temperature profiling of multiple points of measurement are required. These are samples of different types of hot junction thermocouples. This is where the sensors measure the temperature. Here are the 3 different types. Exposed junction has the fastest temperature response due to the measuring junction being exposed. Ungrounded junction. The conductor is inside the tube but not touching the sheath. It has the slowest temperature response but has no ground loop or electrical issues since the measuring circuit is isolated from the sheath. Grounded junction. The conductor is welded to the outside sheet and are used where a faster temperature response is needed. It is used for temperature measurements of high-pressure environments. The field-adjustable thermocouple can quickly be cut down to required size, down to a 3-inch minimum. It is a good backup sensor and fills the need for the routine replacement of thermocouples with a quick turnaround on plant maintenance projects. This is a high-temperature hexalloy protection tube with half-inch NPT process connection. These are used where extremely high temperatures prohibit the use of nearly any metal tubes and can withstand temperatures surpassing 2,000 degrees Fahrenheit. This is a cutaway sample of full penetration flange Thermowell. They come in a variety of material options such as Hastelloy, Inkalloy, Inconel, Monel, stainless steel, Stellite 6B, and many more. Thermowells come in a variety of styles: welded threaded, flanged, socket, and sanitary process connections. Thermowells can be manufactured to customer-specific process requirements, and wake frequency calculations are performed to determine a safe Thermowell design. And that's all there is to it. Get the temperature kit today while it's hot.